Alright, here we are at the shop. Uh-oh. Looks like we might have a low tire. Let's go find out. Come up to the door. Open up the door. Ah, what do we have here? A compressor. Now we don't want to leave this running all the time, so you'll have to turn it on. Well, first, of course, you will get your OSHA approved ear protection. Once the ear protection's on, you can fire it up using this switch. It should be plugged in, nice and safe. Plug it in. Now I've actually had that plugged in for a while, so it's full of air. Looks like we've got a little over 80 pounds of pressure. If you'll notice on this, that is a built-in gauge. I'll take it over here to Joe's tire. And we will unscrew his cap. Always put it on top of there so I don't lose it. Pop it in and see if we can see this. As soon as I pop that bad boy in, I get a reading. Hard to do it with one hand. Good thing we all have two. God damn it. Motherfucker. Hang on. Alright. There we go. Looks like it says about 45 pounds of pressure. How many are we supposed to have? Max load 100. Oh, 44 pounds. Oh, this is a light duty truck, so we're good. Had we not been good, we'll keep that on there. Give it a squeeze. Inflate the tire. Check again with the pressure. And this one is much faster inflating and much heavier duty. The only other trick, it's self-retracting. So you just give it a little tug. Well, better yet, go right to it. And I had it out 100 feet. It doesn't automatically go back and forth like that, so that kind of sucks. If you stand here and let it slowly feed in, you can kind of back and forth it yourself. Give it a little bit of help. Must have got caught somewhere. Ah, see, when it gets... I did it wrong the first time. It's kind of bunched up in there. But just kind of give it a little help. Use momentum. And there's the end. Place it right there. Final step. This way is off, as it says, and this way is auto. Just keep it off. I think it'll actually hold air, but just not a good idea to keep it loaded the whole time, because every once in a while it'll turn back on. And then you shut the door as to weatherproof it. And now we can easily fill up all the tires. That's 100 foot. From here to that log is much less than 100 feet, so we're good to fill up any tire, anytime. Brooks Landscaping.